Now, and maybe I'm going to repeat also what some of the colleagues at the round table already said. We heard here today a lot of very innovative projects in the Russian Federation and the CIS. And having an efficient payment system is essential for having a performant economy. I think it was already mentioned by Mr. Sabri. The regulator will play an essential role in making sure that there are standards for operations, procedures, formats. And there is still, I think, in that respect, quite some challenges to clear, quite some work to be done. You heard the whole story about NFC and mobile payments coming in. The question will have to be answered, do we move in the Russian Federation, in the CIS, to rolling out a point-of-sale infrastructure like we used to know it in other countries, or will we skip that move and will we go straight into the new payment channels? Will we also enable the payment function to go on the cards, on the electronic identity cards, or are we still choosing for separate bank cards? And will the card be there in a couple of years as a payment carrier, or will it be something else? We heard the question about ownership. Who owns the transaction? Who owns the customer? Who owns the card? I think it was Mr. Jandrosivo, if I spelled correctly, who mentioned alongside it's the citizens who own the cards. Those are essential questions which have not directly anything to do with the technical aspect, the technology or the business, but who are a key influencer on the business. We went through some of those questions in the European Union already. We took good decisions, like was mentioned. We also took some bad decisions. And therefore I hope that the Russian Federation and the CIS countries will learn from the bad decisions we took in Europe and roll out a really performant system who can integrate identification, authentication, which you need to have for your citizens in any case. You will want to have an identity card, together with bank payments, with social security, with transportation, services attached to it, etc. So if you can do this now and you have all the elements to do so, I believe, then you will effectively have a tool in place to make your economy become one of the most performant in the next years to come.